Happy rainy Sunday, my wasabi. So for today, I'm going to be taking you with me as I brew my favorite cup of coffee. Alright, so here's our little haul from Daiso. I got this from Shopee, and these are only 88 pesos each. What got me really curious about this is that this is a 1 to 2 cup sized calited dripper, but it seems bigger than the one I got recently that I sent to a friend. So let's see how this goes. As usual, Insaf will be here to guide us and grace us with her presence, along with Uni, her son. And for today, I will be using Deli the brand's Kibungan Arabica. So this is one of the award-winning beans that is produced here in our country. And I'll be doing everything from scratch. I am using 1:15 ratio. So I will be getting 15 grams of coffee and use about 225 grams of water. Alright, so it's time to grind the beans, and let me just quickly check the grind size. So this is kind of perfect. We're dropping in at medium coarse. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to completely grind this 15 grams of coffee. Okay, so this is how the grind looks like. As you can see, the coarseness is not too fine because you will be using the Daiso Kalita dripper. Let me just set up the dripper by getting the filter. And this is how you fold it when using your Kalita dripper. Alright, so let's drop in the ground beans. There you go. My yield is about 14.9, and that's totally okay. 0.1 is totally fine. And just as I suspected, the Daiso dripper sized 1 to 2 cups is a lot bigger than what I thought it should be. And the filter looks really small against the dripper, but that's totally okay. It sort of gives me the flexibility to go 1 up in filter size in case the 1 to 2 cups is out of stock. So it's time to weigh my boiled water. I'm using this very affordable gooseneck, and that's about 225 grams of water. So it's time to pour the hot water in our ground beans. You can see the bloom is right there. I dropped in, I think, about 55 to 60 grams of water first, and then just continue it. Look at that, it's so pretty. And continue as I finish the 225 grams of water. So this is the final pour. I'm ending at 223.9 grams of water. The minimal difference is irrelevant. So finally, it locked in at 222.6. And it's time for me to remove the dripper. Here's our black coffee. But for today, I wish to put in some milk and perhaps some cinnamon to top it off. Because cinnamon is really great if you have PCOS. It helps balances those hormones and stuff. And I will be using this smiley filter just to add some smiles on this gloomy Sunday morning. And there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's quick vlog as I take you with me in brewing my very traditional Kibungan Arabica coffee. Again, if you want to have your bag of Kibungan Arabica coffee, just check out their contact details down below at the description box. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!